In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Typeform ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Typeform or have been using it for a while, understanding how to find your Typeform ID is crucial. It's a unique identifier that can help you manage, share, or embed your forms more efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Typeform website. This is where all the magic happens. Typeform is a fantastic tool for creating interactive forms and surveys that can be customized to fit your needs. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a variety of options and features presented, but our first step is to log into your account. To do this, locate and click on the login button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. However, Typeform offers a more streamlined way to access your account through the Continue with Google option. If your Typeform account is connected to a Google account, this can be a quick and convenient way to log in without having to remember another password. So go ahead and select that option. After selecting Continue with Google, you might need to wait for a couple of minutes. This delay usually depends on your internet speed and how quickly Typeform loads its data. Use this short waiting period to perhaps brainstorm about the next form you plan to create or how you intend to improve an existing one. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate towards your specific form. To simplify the process, Typeform organizes your content into a clean, user-friendly interface. Here's a direct way to access your form. Follow the provided link to go straight to your form on the Typeform dashboard. This link is a shortcut that bypasses the need to manually look through all your projects. Next, you'll want to share your form. Whether it's for feedback, data collection, or just for fun, sharing is a crucial part of the Typeform experience. Look for the Share button. This button is your gateway to making your form accessible to your audience. Once you find and click on it, a new page or a pop-up will appear, showcasing different sharing options. These options are designed to give you flexibility in how you distribute your form, making it convenient for both you and your respondents. Now we're nearing the final step and the one you've been waiting for, getting your Typeform ID. On the sharing options page, find and click on the Copy Link button. This action copies the form's link to your clipboard. If you look closely at this link, you'll start to notice a structure. The URL contains several segments, but what we're interested in is the part that comes right afterwards, /to/. This segment is your Typeform ID. Here's a little tip to remember. Your Typeform ID is unique to each form. It's a string of characters that Typeform uses to identify your specific project. Knowing your form's ID can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working with a team or need to reference the form in scripts, emails, or embedded codes. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Typeform ID. This ID acts as a key to various doors, whether it's customizing your form's appearance on your website, tracking responses, or simply sharing your form in a more controlled manner. Understanding how to find this ID is a small but significant part of mastering Typeform. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of everything we've covered. We started by visiting the Typeform website, logging in via Google for convenience, waiting a moment for everything to load up, navigating directly to our form, hitting the share button to expose our sharing options, and finally, locating our unique Typeform ID in the form's share link. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your experience with Typeform smoother and more productive. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with tools like Typeform, the more effectively you can utilize them for your projects, research, or business. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy form making.